Good afternoon. Today we're going to take out a keyboard and replace it on the Inspiron 6000. It's a very simple process. Should take us about 3 minutes. First thing you want to do, get a flat bladed screwdriver. Stick it down here on the end. Got a little notch. Pop up your plastics. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your plastics out. You want to be firm but a little bit gentle so you don't snap the plastics. You have 2 retaining screws on the keyboard right there. I'm going to take both of those out. Your Phillips head screwdriver. Very simple process here. Now you pick up the keyboard, get your finger under here, pop it up. You got some feet on the bottom here, you want to wiggle them back. Then you just have a retaining plug here on the motherboard. Grab that little blue piece of plastic and wiggle that plug out. Easy as pie to take out. I'm going to get the new one. I'm going to put it back in reverse order. Take your plug, put it into the socket here on the motherboard. Make sure your feet and the tabs are lined up on the bottom here. Make sure they're under the plastic. Make sure your holes are lined up for your screws. Make sure to seat that back down. There's a couple little tabs here the keyboard will sit under. You're going to put the screws back in. It's a very simple process here. Keyboard is in. We'll take our little power button plastic. Get 2 little feet here. You're going to slip them in the notches there. You're going to work the plastic back down, snapping it as it go. Here, snap, snap, snap. And the keyboard is done, replaced, and in. Next thing you want to do is power it on and test it. Thank you much.